Experiencing flat stereo audio instead of immersive surround sound with your HyperX Cloud Alpha? You're not alone. Many users encounter issues activating DTS-X or 7.1 surround. The primary cause is often software configuration, not hardware failure. First, understand the difference between DTS-X and 7.1 surround. DTS-X is object-based spatial audio that dynamically positions sounds in a 3D space, ideal for gaming. 7.1 is virtualized surround using onboard DSP to simulate 8 channels from stereo inputs. Ensure your HyperX Ingenuity software is updated to the latest version, 4.2.1 or newer, released April 2025. This software calibrates audio profiles and enables surround modes. Verify that your Windows sound settings are configured to 7.1 surround or DTS Headphone X. Set the Cloud Alpha as the default audio device and enable spatial sound in advanced options. Common mistakes include outdated drivers or conflicting software. Start by updating both HyperX Ingenuity and Windows Audio drivers. Set the Cloud Alpha as the default device, enable spatial sound, and select DTS-X. Test using the built-in audio test within Ingenuity. According to experts at Tom's Guide, Ingenuity is a must-have for gamers to properly configure their audio. Most no-surround issues come from user error in settings rather than hardware faults. If initial steps don't restore surround sound, try advanced troubleshooting. Reinstall your audio drivers or run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter to detect issues. Also, uninstall and reinstall the Xbox Accessories app, enable spatial audio, and update headset firmware through the HyperX Ingenuity software. A Reddit user successfully fixed their surround sound issues by uninstalling and reinstalling the Xbox Accessories app, enabling spatial audio in Windows settings, and updating the headset firmware through HyperX Ingenuity. This approach resolved their DTS problems quickly. Looking ahead, gaming headsets are shifting toward AI-enhanced software for adaptive surround sound that adjusts in real time. Multi-platform support is also rising. By 2026, HyperX plans cloud-based profiles in Ingenuity for personalized surround calibration, automating many fixes. Wireless headsets will have better DTS integration via Bluetooth LE audio. By 2027, 90% of surround issues should be software solvable through AI diagnostics in headset apps.